Number 9. Which expression is equivalent to 23x cubed plus 2x squared plus 9x? When they start asking for equivalent expressions, I am immediately going to look at my answers that they are giving us. Because I want to know, are they expecting me to factor this? Are they expecting me to when I say factor, I mean like into binomials, like x plus 3 times 2x plus 2, and another x here, something like that. Is that what they're expecting? Or, here we go, erase all that. If we look at our answers here, we can see we're left with these trinomials in every single one, and they're just pulling out a single greatest common factor. Oh, okay, well, that's much less scary. Because when you first saw this, you might have gone like, what on earth? How am I supposed to factor that? Oh, this is going to be crazy. Nope. We look at our answers and we go, hey, we're not having to go any further than factoring out just a single greatest common factor. So when we are finding a greatest common factor, we want to look at the numbers and the variables separately. So first the numbers. We have 23, 2, and 9. Is there any number that goes into all three of those? No. No number greater than 1, I should say. Is there any number greater than 1, any integer greater than 1? Or it can be an integer that is a negative number. You can pull out a negative 2. That's okay. But not 1 or negative 1. Anything other than 1 and negative 1, integer. What can we pull out? No, we can't. These are all prime. 23, 2, and 9 are all prime. Their only factors are 1 in themselves. There's no factor we can bring out. So that one's done. Can we pull out a variable? We've got an x cubed, x squared, and an x. Yes. So they all share at least one x. So I can do that. I can pull out an x. That leaves two x's, 23x squared, with the 23. Leaves a single x with the 2, and it takes away the single x that was with the 9. And that's it. That's all we have to do. Then we look at our answers over here to see which of those matches it. C is the only one that has an x being pulled out. So that better be my right answer. I'm going to check everything to the right of it. It sure is. I'm actually surprised at that. A lot of times they might have had 2 that had an x pulled out, and just the trinomial that was left would be slightly different to check that you had pulled out the greatest common factor correctly. But in this case, it looks like they're just testing, can you identify the greatest common factor? And so there's our answer, C. Hey guys, the full insanely comprehensive SAT math prep course I've been promising for so long is live right now at mathwithalyssa.com. And of course, you can also still get the free 10 video course on SAT tips and tricks at mathwithalyssa.com as well. You also can now book one-on-one tutoring sessions with me. Links to how you can do that are in the description and the pinned comment below. And as always, if the video you just watched was helpful or useful in any way, please let YouTube know. Comment, like, share, subscribe. You know the drill. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.